1973 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top Restomod LS77.0L. Price: $39,950. Location: Texas, USA. The 1973 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top Restomod is the perfect example of how a classic American sports car can be transformed into a modern performance monster while preserving its legendary style. Finished in a stunning custom dark Concorde blue metallic paint, this Corvette immediately captures attention and stands out from ordinary classic cars. The biggest highlight of this incredible machine is the powerful LS77.0-liter V8 engine borrowed from a 2012 Corvette. This modern powerhouse delivers thrilling performance and a deep, aggressive exhaust note that instantly reminds you why American V8 engines are loved around the world. Paired with a Tremec TKO 500 5-speed manual transmission, every shift feels precise, engaging, and exciting. The performance upgrades go far beyond the engine swap. Hustler headers help maximize power, while the DeWitt's aluminum radiator with dual electric cooling fans keeps the LS7 running efficiently even during spirited driving. Bilstein Sport Shocks improve handling and stability, while the Hydro Boost brake system and Wilwood master cylinder provide confidence-inspiring stopping power when needed. The exterior remains faithful to the iconic C3 Corvette design that enthusiasts admire. The classic chrome bumpers, pop-up headlights, Stingray badging, and integrated rear spoiler create an unmistakable presence. The removable T-top roof panels allow drivers to enjoy open-air cruising, while the rally-style wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra Radial GT white leather tires complete the aggressive vintage appearance. The interior perfectly balances classic charm and modern comfort. C5 sport seats provide excellent support during long drives, while the 3-spoke steering wheel and tilt steering column maintain the traditional Corvette feel. Modern air conditioning keeps passengers comfortable, and the retro-style AM or FM stereo preserves the nostalgic atmosphere of the golden era of American performance cars. The driving experience is where this Corvette truly shines. The combination of lightweight C3 styling and the massive LS7 powerplant creates a car that feels fast, responsive, and alive. Every press of the throttle delivers instant excitement, making this Corvette equally enjoyable on highways, back roads, and weekend car gatherings. The market for professionally built Restomods continues to grow as collectors seek classic styling with modern reliability. This 1973 Chevrolet Corvette offers exactly that combination. It provides the timeless beauty of a vintage Stingray with the performance capabilities expected from a modern sports car. The opportunity to own an LS7-powered Corvette at just $39,950 makes this one of the most attractive performance bargains currently available.